A is for alligator, chomping with a grin. He loves to splash and swim right in. B is for bear, so big and sweet. He loves his honey, such a treat. C is for cat, so soft and sly. She jumps and purrs, oh my, oh my. D is for dog, who loves to play. He runs and barks the whole day. E is for elephant, big and grand. He sprays cool water on the land. F is for fox, so quick and bright. He hides and runs with all his might. G is for giraffe, so tall and neat. She loves the leaves, she loves to eat. H is for hippo, big and round. He splashes mud all around. I is for iguana, calm and green. The coolest reptile you've ever seen. J is for jaguar, speedy and strong. He loves to run all day long. K is for kangaroo, jump so high, boing, 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 up to the sky. L is for lion, brave and bright, the jungle king with all his might. M is for monkey, swinging free. He's funny, fast, and full of glee. N is for nightingale, singing tune. Her voice shines bright under the moon. O is for owl, so smart and wise, he knows the stars up in the skies. P is for penguin, sliding fast. On the ice, he zips right past. Q is for quail, so small and sweet, with tiny chicks beneath her feet. R is for rabbit, hopping all day. He loves to jump and run and play. S is for snake, long and sly. He wiggles and twists as he passes by. T is for tiger, strong and bold, with orange stripes and heart of gold. U is for unicorn, shining bright, with magic horn and rainbow light. V is for vulture, flying wide. He glides and swoops across the sky. W is for wolf, howling tune, under the stars and bright full moon. X is for X-ray fish, shiny and bright. You can see through him in the light. Y is for yak, so furry and tall. He lives where snow begins to fall. Z is for zebra, stripes of fun, black and white in the golden sun.